In the next episode of the Safety Comes Innocent, Dekla will take her first real step toward finding her sister. This step will not to be easy because every road to throw is surrounded by a who wanted to stop her. But Dekla will not to be same as before. She has to lost much. She carried too much and trusted too easily. Now she will move pain in her heart and fear in her eyes. Erkan will try to walk beside her and but Dekla may tell him that he must earn that peace and again. This will hurt him deeply because he will realize that love does not automatically give him but the right standard near her. He must deserve it if Erkan decide to reveal more than he planned because he will understand that hiding even more than true could mean to losing Tekla forever. Kadir will watch closely his own feeling that Tekla may become too harder to hide. He believed that Erkan does not deserve anyone to enchant, but Tekla heart will not to be easy to read. She may to anger at Erkan, but anger does not erase to love will create to emotional tension where there is no fully of win and no one fully of lose. The Aldur family will continuously break under the pressure of Ahmadi death. Each decision will create a shock and instant situation will become too more difficult. The family will try to protect this image but cracks are more visible. Every secret has sound in the next episode this sound will make too louder. Furman will create to danger for Sivan. Nilufar his plan will not to be random. It will calculated it exactly how to strike Sivan made to protect Nilufar. But will be a face that fact that silence about to Daria has created concourse. Nilufar will need to decide whether she trusts Sivan enough to stand through this storm. Farid their journey will bring closer to the true. Farid will fear and she will not return back. This episode will show that truth is not something to discovered. She is something that demand courage.